Hello everyone and welcome back to the Collegedunia.com YouTube channel, and today I'll be telling you how you can predict the college you want to go in according to your KCET rank. So first you have to search for the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com, and you'll see this website selected. And once you reach the website you have to scroll down below and you'll see the college predictor section. Select that and then you'll be redirected to the page that says select the course and select the exam. So you have to select the course you want to. First, for example, I want to do BTech and then the exam. So we have to select KCET and then select on find colleges. After that, you have to enter the rank, your reservation category, and your course. For example, my rank is 53, my category is this, and then you can click on check results. So there are in total 195 colleges in which I qualify, and these are all the details of the colleges. And you can know more about the colleges by selecting here and going to this page, and it will redirect you to the page which shows all the details regarding the college, its exam, tuition fee, allocation fees, and miscellaneous fee, everything. You can download the brochure by selecting brochure here. And if you want to know more, and if you want to select more features and filter according to your preferences, you can select this filter button and you can just select and filter according to your preferences. For example, the city you want to prefer, your substream and degree type or category. You can select from here and apply the changes, and you can see all the colleges that fits into your rule. So if you have any other question, you can just comment down below or you can search for the website collegedunia.com. Thank you.